Ever found yourself locked out of your own finances? One minute you're managing your crypto and euros with ease, the next you're staring at a blocked Bitwala account, wondering what on earth went wrong. It's a frustrating, even scary experience. You've trusted a platform with your money, and suddenly, that trust seems to be in question. Why does this happen? What triggers a security lock? And most importantly, how do you fix it? The first and most common reason for a blocked Bitwala account is a security measure. Think of it as a digital bouncer at the club of your finances. If you try to log in from a new device, a different country, or with multiple failed password attempts, Bitwala's security system flags it as unusual activity. They don't know it's you trying to access your account from your holiday in Spain, they just see a login attempt from an unrecognized location. It's an automated system designed to protect you from potential fraud and unauthorized access. While it's a bit of a hassle, it's a necessary evil in the world of online banking. Another major cause is a violation of the terms and conditions. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who actually reads those things? But Bitwala's T&Cs are the rules of the road, and breaking them can lead to a quick suspension. This could be anything from using the account for illegal activities, and let's be clear, Bitwala, like any regulated financial institution, has a zero-tolerance policy for this, to providing false information during the Know Your Customer, KYC, verification process. Remember when you uploaded your ID and proof of address? That's not just for show. If Bitwala's compliance team finds any discrepancies or suspects the information is fraudulent, they'll block the account instantly. They are legally required to do so to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. Sometimes, the issue isn't about security or violations, it's about a failed transaction or an ongoing dispute. Let's say you initiated a large SEPA transfer, and for some reason, the recipient bank flagged it, or the funds were returned. This can sometimes put a temporary hold on your account until the issue is resolved. Similarly, if you've been a part of a chargeback dispute, perhaps a merchant you paid with your Bitwala card reversed the transaction, your account might be frozen during the investigation. It's an administrative hold to ensure the integrity of the funds until the dispute is settled. So, what's the path to getting your account unblocked? The first step is to check your email. Bitwala will almost always send you a notification explaining the reason for the block and what you need to do. It might be a simple request to verify your identity again or to provide documentation for a specific transaction. The second step is to contact their customer support. Be prepared to provide detailed information and a calm explanation of your situation. They'll guide you through the process, which might involve uploading new documents or confirming recent transactions. Patience is key here. The process can take a few days as they need to manually review your case. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.